Welcome to another review, but this one only arrived this morning. This is Kratos in Ares armour, with a blade of Olympus and the blade of Neca. The only reason it's already out of its box, I wanted to have a look at the figure and its accessories. It's better than that Darksider clone that I have over there. So, a further ado, the packaging is awesome. Anybody can tell me if it's real or fake. You can have a quick read on that. Licensing info at the bottom from the Figma manufacturer. Let me just take that out. You don't need that. Oh, I need to show off the figure yet. Remove this plastic, so it's going to be recycled because I don't need it because I've got a storage solution for it. There we are. Your Valerian prototype like that. You could do a nice backdrop with that. You could do a backdrop with that. You could do a nice backdrop with that. Stick on some proper card and then you've got it. Right. Now down to the figure. Now to move my camera in. Now time to look at the figure himself. There's the figure. Before we look down the figure, here's all the accessories you get. I'm going to need to hold the camera, but these are the accessories you get. You get the two blades of the nationals, you get two of those. I've already put the bottoms on of them. You get the blade of Olympus, which is the best part of the figure. And of course you get the stand, and it has licensing info, which I had it upside down. Figma Lucina 2007, made in China. There's the accessories. So these are the accessories. I'll move those out the way. As I go to the main attraction himself. Yes, he's not a ragdoll like my other one is. Put you here. So you're not sort of a ragdoll. You're not a ragdoll, but because you can stand. Puts down. You can have a look at nice, good at the figure. There we go. So now I've lowered the tripod. It's just I can't be bothered. Oh god, he took a dive. It's just I can't be bothered to get my other tripod out. Yes, the figure's awesome. He's got head articulation. The cloner was darker. His head is darker, and that's correct, right? He's got one, two, 3 bits of articulation on the arms, and sort of 3 on the legs, because you can't see it due to his skirt. Right, I've got some other figures I want to compare with this massive 7-inch. Oh god, my camera decided to take a dive. Damn and blast, my camera decided to take a dive. Before this figure decides to drop, I'm going to put the figure on its stand. So that it can stand better. And then it won't fall. There he is, on his stand. He's now on his stand. I will show you how the first comparison, a character figure, a dalek. He's definitely bigger than a dalek. He's massive to a dalek. Compared to a dalek, he's massive. There's going to be some commenting. Move the dalek. Hasbro's Lightning Collection, Green Ranger. I don't know when that video is going to be uploaded yet. My Mighty Morphin Green Ranger. Don't know when it's going to be up yet, but there he is. Look at the figure. Look at the size. A Putty Patroller. There he is with my third Putty Patroller. See, I've got 2. I'll put an in card at the top if you want to check my 2-pack review. Now for the fun one. Figma Lucina. Be a nice good Kratos and hold Lucina for me. And there is Lucina. Look at the size. And now let me get my Green Ranger back. Now you can see the figure size. 6 inch. I'll say about 5 inch. 7 inch. Now let's some of my darling Lucina, which you're gonna have to move. Gotta move you out the way. Now for the weaponry. For his weaponry. He's got these are the dark versions of his Blades of Chaos, but according to the box, they are the Blades of Adelphia, or whatever they're called in the game. I definitely know this one is Blade of Olympus. I struggled to get these in. You can hold these, but I'm not going to spend half of them out. The Blade of Olympus, on the other hand, just snug it into his fingers. He snug it into his finger. He snug it in. See, it's a perfect snug. So there he is. It's a perfect snug. It's not going to fall. In a comparison, I will get the... I didn't do this in the last review. I didn't do this in the Green Ranger review. But this is the only video I'm going to do it in. I'm going to do it only in this video. And I'm going to compare it with the Green Ranger with the Sword of what's it called? Oh yes, the Sword of Darkness. On the left you see the sword, on the left you see the Blade of Olympus. On the left you see the Blade of Olympus. On the right you see the Blade of Chaos, the Blade of the Sword of Darkness. Getting those two swords mixed up. Yes, you see the difference between the Blade of a Chaos. This only arrived today, actually, which is even better. He arrived. Oh, and so did the Pully. The Pully arrived today as well. But Pully and Kratos arrived. Still wait for one more. Please let me know in the comments below to see if this one is the real legit. The real figure. If you like this figure, I recommend it. The only downside is not storage for these. That's the only downside, but in general it's a good figure. Well, if you want this figure, go and hop on Amazon or elsewhere. Or good luck. If you want to see if you want the Lightning Collection figures, good luck. And then even if you want the Figma figures, if you want the Figma figures, you can have fun with those as well. There we go. If you want any of these 3 figures, I recommend them. Particularly that one in particular. This one in particular. I recommend that one first, then that one, then that one. Make sure you get the real version. And be careful of prices, because they could be knockoffs. That's my only warning. I found out the hard way with this one. But anyway, I'll explain it in the review. Anyway, if you like this review, please like, subscribe, share. Not share it, of course. Just like it. No rude comments, no offensive comments. Offensive comments will be deleted. If you like it, please. I will be uploading that video soon for the Green Ranger. And I'll see you folks in another video.